Melody 很大方，分享美味糕点。大耳狗虽害羞，友情 BPM 不变，一起探索地下室，点亮冒险起点，发现深老旧地图，符号藏在里面。最棒的冒险伙伴，友谊是无价宝藏。
The Mysterious Basement Adventure of Melody and Cinnamoroll.
粉红帽与白云朵，地下室的神秘机关。
The Mysterious Basement Adventure of Melody and Cinnamoroll. Melody is a very generous girl who always loves to share her handmade cakes. Melody
是一位非常慷慨的女孩，总是喜欢分享她亲手做的蛋糕。
Melody is a very generous girl who always loves to share her handmade cakes. Cinnamoroll has a shy personality and always hid behind clouds when he first met Melody.
大耳狗个性比较害羞，第一次见到
Melody
时总是躲在云朵后面。
Cinnamoroll has a shy personality and always hid behind clouds when he first met Melody. They met by chance in the campus cafeteria and started a wonderful friendship.
他们在校园的餐厅偶然遇见，开始了一段奇妙的友谊。
They met by chance in the campus cafeteria and started a wonderful friendship. Together, they visited a knowledgeable professor to ask about the history of ancient school legends.
他们一起去拜访了一位知识渊博的教授，请教关于学校古老传说的历史。
Together, they visited a knowledgeable professor to ask about the history of ancient school legends. The professor encouraged Cinnamoroll to feel confident in his intuition, as it is a trait of an adventurer.
教授鼓励大耳狗要对自己的直觉感到自信，那是冒险者的特质。
The professor encouraged Cinnamoroll to feel confident in his intuition, as it is a trait of an adventurer. One weekend, they decided to explore the school's long-abandoned basement.
某个周末，他们决定去探索学校废弃已久的地下室。
One weekend, they decided to explore the school's long-abandoned basement. The light in the basement was dim and a bit foggy, with the smell of old books in the air.
地下室的光线很暗且有点有雾的，空气中弥漫着旧书的味道。
The light in the basement was dim and a bit foggy, with the smell of old books in the air. Using his keen sense of smell, Cinnamoroll successfully detected a rusty washing machine.
大耳狗发挥灵敏嗅觉，成功侦测出一台生锈的洗衣机。
Using his keen sense of smell, Cinnamoroll successfully detected a rusty washing machine. In the gap behind the washing machine, they accidentally discovered a parchment map painted with mysterious symbols.
在洗衣机后方的夹缝里，他们意外发现了一卷画有神秘符号的羊皮地图。
In the gap behind the washing machine, they accidentally discovered a parchment map painted with mysterious symbols. Melody reminded Cinnamoroll to focus because the route indicated by the map was very complex.
Melody 提醒大耳狗要集中注意力，因为地图指示的路线非常复杂。
Melody reminded Cinnamoroll to focus because the route indicated by the map was very complex. They first had to pass through a storage room that looked like an ancient maze.
他们必须先穿过一片像古老的迷宫般的储藏室。
They first had to pass through a storage room that looked like an ancient maze. On the way, they met an old sailor cleaning there, who took the initiative to guide them away from loose floorboards.
途中遇到一位在这里打扫的旧水手，他主动引导他们避开松动的地板。
On the way, they met an old sailor cleaning there, who took the initiative to guide them away from loose floorboards. Melody treated the old sailor gently and shared her cake as a thank you gift. Melody
温柔地对待这位老水手，并分享蛋糕作为谢礼。
Melody treated the old sailor gently and shared her cake as a thank you gift. Cinnamoroll was sometimes careless and almost knocked over expensive instruments in the dark.
大耳狗有时候很粗心的，差点在黑暗中撞倒昂贵的仪器。
Cinnamoroll was sometimes careless and almost knocked over expensive instruments in the dark. But Melody never blamed him. She just took his hand and continued moving forward.
但
Melody
从不责备他，只是牵起他的手继续前行。
But Melody never blamed him. She just took his hand and continued moving forward. In front of a metal door, they encountered a puzzle mechanism made of countless triangles that had to be assembled into a square to trigger the next step.
在金属大门前，他们遇到了一道由无数三角形组成的拼图机关，必须将它们拼成正方形才能触发下一步。
In front of a metal door, they encountered a puzzle mechanism made of countless triangles that had to be assembled into a square to trigger the next step. Subsequently, many difficult articles appeared on the wall, and Cinnamoroll had to precisely outline hidden password keywords within the dense text.
随后，墙面上出现了许多艰涩的文章，大耳狗必须在密密麻麻的文字中，精确地勾勒出隐藏的密码关键字。
Subsequently, many difficult articles appeared on the wall, and Cinnamoroll had to precisely outline hidden password keywords within the dense text. Just as the mechanism was about to lock, Melody calmly used the available information to deduce the correct lever sequence, successfully preventing the alarm from sounding.
就在机关即将锁死之际，
Melody
冷静地利用现场的资讯推论出正确的杠杆顺序，成功阻止了警报响起。
Just as the mechanism was about to lock, Melody calmly used the available information to deduce the correct lever sequence, successfully preventing the alarm from sounding. At the end of the map, they found a metal door carved with a mysterious curved totem.
他们在地图末端发现一扇刻有神秘区线图腾的金属大门。
At the end of the map, they found a metal door carved with a mysterious curved totem. Cinnamoroll imagined himself as a brave director, commanding Melody to help find the key to the door.
大耳狗想象自己是勇敢的指挥官，指挥
Melody
一起寻找开门的钥匙。
Cinnamoroll imagined himself as a brave director, commanding Melody to help find the key to the door. They found an injured butterfly resting in the door crack and stopped to care for it carefully.
他们在那里发现一只受伤的蝴蝶停在门缝，于是先停下来细心照料它。
They found an injured butterfly resting in the door crack and stopped to care for it carefully. After the butterfly flew away, a tiny gear mechanism hidden in the crack was revealed.
当蝴蝶飞走后，露出了藏在门缝里的微小齿轮机关。
After the butterfly flew away, a tiny gear mechanism hidden in the crack was revealed. Melody took out a mirror to examine the interior closely, trying to find the logic behind its operation. Melody
拿出一面镜子，仔细地检查内部，试图找出运作的逻辑。
Melody took out a mirror to examine the interior closely, trying to find the logic behind its operation. They had to turn the gears in a specific order within a limited time limit.
他们必须在有限的界限内，依照特定顺序拨动齿轮。
They had to turn the gears in a specific order within a limited time limit. Although there were many noises to interrupt their thoughts, they remained calm.
虽然过程中有许多噪音干扰他们的思绪，但他们保持冷静。
Although there were many noises to interrupt their thoughts, they remained calm. Ultimately, they used their wisdom to solve the puzzle, and the heavy door slowly opened.
最终，他们靠着智慧解决了这道难题，沉重的大门缓缓开启。
Ultimately, they used their wisdom to solve the puzzle, and the heavy door slowly opened. Behind the door were not gold or silver treasures, but invention manuscripts left by many ancient scientists.
门后不是金银珠宝，而是许多古老的科学家留下的发明手稿。
Behind the door were not gold or silver treasures, but invention manuscripts left by many ancient scientists. These manuscripts were priceless to them because they hoped to achieve their dream of improving the world.
这些手稿对他们而言是无价之宝，因为他们希望能达成改善世界的梦想。
These manuscripts were priceless to them because they hoped to achieve their dream of improving the world. To categorize the manuscripts, they decided to properly arrange a dedicated storage space after returning home.
为了将手稿分类，他们决定回家后要好好安排一个专门的存放空间。
To categorize the manuscripts, they decided to properly arrange a dedicated storage space after returning home. Cinnamoroll greatly appreciated Melody for leading him through this great featuring.
大耳狗非常感激
Melody.
带领他完成这场壮举。
Cinnamoroll greatly appreciated Melody for leading him through this great featuring. Neighbors all felt that this pair of adventure partners was the most perfect combination in the world.
邻居们都觉得他们这对冒险伙伴是世界上最完美的组合。
Neighbors all felt that this pair of adventure partners was the most perfect combination in the world. They demonstrated a most sincere spirit of cooperation, facing darkness and the unknown together.
他们展现了最真诚的合作精神，共同面对黑暗与未知。
They demonstrated a most sincere spirit of cooperation, facing darkness and the unknown together. No matter what challenges they face in the future, they will work together to survive and protect this wisdom.
无论未来遇到什么挑战，他们都会一起努力生存并守护这些智慧。
No matter what challenges they face in the future, they will work together to survive and protect this wisdom.
Melody 很大方，分享美味到点。大耳狗虽害羞，友情 BPM 不变，一起探索地下室，点亮冒险起点，发现神绿旧地图，符号藏在里面，专注解开三角形，还有文章一篇，冷静分析直选，讲坛顺序出现，智慧解锁金苏门，惊喜在终点线，科学家手环实现梦想的诗篇。最棒的冒险伙伴有115家宝藏，最棒的冒险伙伴有115家宝藏。